make sure y'all go subscribe to my channel. I'm up next. My 08 Silverado, 26 by 14, 35, 1350. Got 79, guy got set 9 in front, 7 in back.
That's it. Ain't no rough country. Man, got a McGoys out here.
No rough country. I got Super 40 with 6-inch tilt, duals, 15% tint on the front, and 5 all the way in the back. I just need to go get my windshield tint.
15.
Probably gonna powder coat my lid.
What color you gonna do?
Same color as my truck.
Okay, that'll be that.
Reflection.
Okay.
Shit, probably go get this overlayer, like how they did this.
You should really do these chrome right here.
Yeah, and this on the same color as my truck.
Yeah, that'll just leave this right here black. Like do this right here chrome, leave this black, and then do some shit like how Misa got on here.
Yeah.
That little light in the handlebar. That shit'd be hard. I ain't seen nobody around here with nothing like that. Probably be the first with this body style with something like that though.
Shit, what else I got planned? Oh yeah, I got clearance, I just ain't putting them in yet. I don't know what I'm gonna do with the grill. I'm thinking about putting my name Sweetboy Case on the front. Probably find somebody to do it for me. So I'm on scratch, so I'm on that. What else I got?
I see it out
I think that's basically it.
That's it. I mean, besides the powder coat on the left, like you gonna do anything like inside wise? Or
Yeah, I'm putting on. Matter of fact, right now I got 4 6x9s Rockford Fosgate on the 4,000 watt M.
Damn.
Then I'm finna take them out probably like in 2 weeks. I'm putting 8 6.5s. I'm putting 2 on each door on that same M 4,000 watt. Got a Pioneer radio in there. Then next plan, I ain't rushing. I get in a box bill. I'm putting 8 6.5s in my bed whenever I get a bed. Yeah, we gonna be screwed. And I'm putting 4 8s under my seat.
I said, you gonna be thumping. Okay. You any truck groups, anything like that? Or
Shit,
just...
dope empire.
Okay. Really? Damn. I guess I just not with that shit no more, huh? But yeah, y'all see it, man. You probably gonna get a couple rollers of this thing. Probably get a couple rolling shots. Anything else you want to say to the camera?
Make sure y'all subscribe. Go follow me on Snapchat, KJ15, Instagram, Sweetboy KJ.
You gonna keep it level? You gonna lean it out or what?
I'm thinking about leaning it out, probably about 2-inch drop.
Yeah, well, this right here, y'all. We don't know about that life.
I ain't got that nice little.
But I mean, it's clean though. It's a clean ass truck. Like this paint color, I ain't gonna lie. Like this probably one of my favorites. It's this, the white, and whatever that green is. I can't think of it, but it's like it came on like the OBSs and shit like that back in the day. That green, that motherfucker hard.
Killing the beat. Dino killing the beat.